I'm going to show you how to make some really easy epic transitions using only in-camera transitions. And for this example, I'm going to use my new iPhone 12 Pro Max, but you can do this with any camera really. And I'm going to show you how you can edit those clips together so you will have seamless transitions using only movement inside of your video clips. So there's a lot of things you need to think about, but first you really need to think about how you can lock your autofocus and lock your exposure. So let's get right into that. Now for this example, I'm going to record my screen right here so you can see what I'm doing. So to adjust your autofocus and your exposure, this will help your videos look much more professional when you are going to stitch them together. So let's start with just tapping on my face right here. You will see this box and you can just hold it for maybe a second or two. And then you'll see that we have this autofocus AEAF lock on your phone. So make sure that you are locking your autofocus and exposure. So on the first clip, I'm just going to tilt the phone up, and then I'm going to make another clip from this point on, and I'm going to just tilt down again. And this is why it is really important to lock your autofocus and exposure so that you are focused on the face when you are making this transition. To make this transition work, you will simply just put those two clips together, and in the middle you will make a cut when you have the motion blur, and that will make the transition really seamless, and people won't see that you have a new video clip there at all, and that is really cool. This next transition is really easy, and I'm going to call it the cover up, and you can do this multiple ways, but what I really like to do is to just take the camera on cut number one and just slowly pan it into something black or some other object with the same or a dark color, and on the second clip you will just slowly move out again, and then you make a cut on the black parts of the video. Now this next transition is really easy to do as well, and I'm calling it the shake up. And just like that, I'm teleported to another location. So to do this transition, you just have to shake your phone and make it a little bit dramatic. So shake the phone, and then you make a cut in the middle and go to another location and make a shake, and then you can start talking again. So that is the shake effect. On the screen right now, I got another tutorial for you to watch next. I do video editing and filmmaking tutorials, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Create and inspire, and I will see you in the next video.